In the last lecture, we discussed about the CRT cathode ray tube, and next we discuss that how to redraw the images or the any picture or the visual representation through the CRT. So the first one we started to discuss the raster scan display, and here the architecture of the raster graphics where there are the various components like the video control system memory, that is a act as a frame buffer used to store the number of pixels, monitor, that is the display video controller to control that image. So the first component is the display controller, which is in the raster system. In addition to the center processing system, there is another controller. Except the CPU, there is another processor or the other controller, we can say that is the video controller or the display controller that is used to control the operation of the display devices. So next one is the second component is the frame buffer. Frame buffer is a fixed area of a system memory which is reserved for the collection of the number of pixels. So it is the reserve area, and the video controller is given direct access to the frame buffer memory. Next, there are some points like the bitmap and the pixmap. What is the bitmap? We know that the raster graphics are also known as the bitmap graphics or the bitmap images. So why these are called as bitmap? Because the number of bits are to be used. So on the black and white system, the frame buffer storing the values of the pixel, that is called a bitmap. So each entry bitmap's number of bits are there represented in 0 and 1 here, which determine on the number of bits, either the 1 and the 0, which represent the intensity of the pixel. On the colored system, the frame buffer storing the values of the pixel called the pixmap. Clear? There are two words, that is first one is bitmap, that is used for the black and white system, and the pixmap for the color system. So through nowadays many graphics libraries name it as a bitmap too. So each entry in the pixmap occupies a number of bits to represent the color of the pixel. For a true color display, the number of bits for each entry is 24, 8 bits per color: red, green, and blue. Color model is the combination of three color, that is red, green, and blue. The color model. So for one red 8 bits, green के लिए 8 bits and blue के लिए 8 bits. Total 24 bits. So each channel 28 equals to 256 levels of intensity value. Therefore 256 voltage settings for each of the red and green blue electron guns are to be required. Yeah. So next, channel, each channel having the 8 bits. So here is 2 power 8, sorry, here is 2 power 8 aega. 2 power 8 becomes 256 levels. So starting from 0 to 255, 0 for the white value, 255 for the black value, or we can say that the comparatively. So next is the pixel coordinate system. In a pixel coordinate system, the pixel at the lower left corner of an image is considered to be a origin, that is represented by 0 0. Coordinate values x and y are 0 0. So the Cartesian coordinate screen positions are referred in Cartesian coordinates. Scan lines are then labeled from y maximum at the top of the screen to 0 at the bottom. For example, we represent this here. These are the coordinate on the x-axis and the y-axis. When we scan the number of lines, there are the scan lines from the y maximum value. Here is the maximum value of the y. Here is the maximum value of x, starting from the 0 to till the number of values are come. So along each scan line, the screen pixel positions are labeled from 0 to maximum, x maximum. So next one is the refreshing process that is done by the video controller. In the raster scan graphic, there is the raster scan generator. which may send the number of values of x and y registers are there. There is the memory address and also the frame buffer, which provide the intensity. This is the basic refresh operation of the video controller. Next one is the random scan display.